We love when multiple products are for the price of one. And that's the case for these three. Before I start with the bronzer, this is the Laura Geller retractable kabuki brush. And look at this. It's got the angle and it's super soft. I like to use this for my blush and for the bronzer. Here's the bronzer. It's the Baked Body Frosting Tahiti Glow. And it does give you a glow. It's really nice and it's buildable, which I love. And I like to just pack it on like this and then gently sweep. And then up here, ooh, cool, look at that. Is there a bird whistling at me? I'm going with the Baked Blush and Brighten, and this is in Pink Buttercream. This one I like to apply right here and then bring it up. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. Look at how beautiful this shade is. It's the perfect shade for an everyday look. Let's bring you guys a little more in the, do you see this? Because I can't see because the sun's like right in my face. I'm gonna actually go in with the almond eyeshadow. It's the darkest shade on here. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of color on my crease. And all these shades complement each other. So this one just looks more like awake, like I actually did my makeup and took my time on it. Baked highlighter. This one is the shimmery finish, but it's not too shimmery, so you don't have to worry about looking like a disco ball. And I'm just going to apply a little in this area. So the matte one you could apply like under your eyes, kind of like I would say like a setting powder. Let me show you guys this highlight. The Jelly Balm, and this comes with the kit. Look at how it just glides on. It's so beautiful.